one more thing I want to tell you, like, I don't know how many of you do not understand Hindi. So, can anybody raise hand who does not understand Hindi? Because I will be talking something in Hindi also. I'm basically from Bihar, Jharkhand. And as I am from Bihar, Jharkhand, I think I can speak much better in Hindi compared to English. So I will try to speak a little bit more in Hindi also. So, first of all, many people, when I completed my plus two, and after 1 year of preparation, I completed the entrance test IIT JEE 2020, 2003, means 2003. So many people questioned me that Prabhat, you completed IIT JEE and you did not join the IIT institution, that was IIM Dhanbad. And I am from Dhanbad, I did not join Dhanbad also. And that too, I was getting electronics engineering. I don't know it is good or bad or whatever, but I had a feeling that I should be doing something in the field of mathematics or physics because it was in my previous plus two subject. And I have a deep interest in physics and mathematics. I wanted to learn relativity and other kind of cosmological theories and all. So that was my interest, and that's why I wanted to do something like that. But unfortunately, I got another better option. That was bioinformatics. That was the new wave in the industry at that point of time. Biotechnology was supposed to ruin the human life because we were thinking of making human clones also. So I thought I can think of that direction. But I went to VIT Vellore. I did some investigation. I found VIT Vellore was one of the finest institute in India at that point of time. So that way, education always troubled me. I never focused on money part, tuitions, but still, I have some basic clues. I can still tell people that, yeah, if your industry is lacking somewhere in terms of automation, in terms of AI, then where it is lacking. Because many people, when they think that AI is a boom, they don't know 5, 10 years back, data science was also a boom. But they don't know what is the difference between data science and AI. They simply say, understand data science is something else and AI is something else. In fact, data science and AI is almost similar things, just that AI is working with instrumentation and data science is working simply with data. And the core thing that is working in both those things is machine learning. So without machine learning, neither AI is complete, neither data science is complete.